What's up, Flomies? My name is Ellie, and today I'm going to be teaching you the diagonal shoulder roll, also known as the elevator. Now let's get into it. There's two prerequisites that you're going to want to know before starting this move, and the first one is the reverse vertical 8 on one side and the forwards vertical 8 on the other side. Once you feel comfortable with the prerequisites, let's move on to the first part of this move, which is the toss. So when you are tossing the star up for this move in particular, try to aim for at least 2 heads above your own, or just as high as your hand can reach. The higher your arm is during this move, the more impressive the trick is, in my opinion. But for now, just work on getting the star up there, controlled. You don't want it to go behind you. You don't want it to go swinging out far. You want it to be right in this area where your arm will be. Once you feel comfortable with the toss, the next part of this move is learning your platform. So like the name entitles, the platform is going to be a diagonal. So one hand above, one hand below. The hand that you are doing the reverse vertical 8 with is the hand that's going to go up to the sky, and the hand that you are catching with is the one that's going to be doing the forwards vertical 8. In order to get comfortable with this platform and the toss, don't worry about the catch, just let it go. Just get used to that idea of your hand and your arm manipulating the star by just touching it. Because the star already has the momentum it needs to roll, it just needs your arm to change the direction. And the last part of this move is your catch. So the hand that is going to be catching the star is the one that's going to be down below, and you will be catching the star with your hand facing up. This is because when the star ends at your hand, it's the perfect position for it to continue into the forwards vertical 8. So essentially your hand will be catching it like this. You can practice that if you need to, but once you have the platform down and the roll on the platform down, it feels natural to catch it with your palm face up. If you're having trouble catching the star, I would suggest trying to line up your hands and just leaving it here. Trying to line them up as straight as you can. For me, one of my issues with dropping it was that my arm was too far in front or too far behind. Try to have it right in the same line as your higher arm. And once you have all of those down, let's put it all together. So you have your toss, your platform, and your catch. Toss, platform, catch. Toss, platform, catch. And that, my friends, is how you do the elevator. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you later. Ciao!